I often refer to supplying drinking water as a vocation of distinction, and I am enormously proud to be part of that vocation. There is nothing more important to be doing in as much as water supply for community is essential. It is the most important thing. Nothing else in the community could exist without a robust drinking water supply system. After all, we're the only utility that touches our customers on a very personal level. Our customers drink our product. They put it into their bodies. And so we have a very important responsibility to protect the public health, as well as fire protection, sanitation, and all the other important uses that a drinking water is put to. There's nothing more important to our community, and there's nothing else I would rather be doing.